In the dynamic and demanding world of agriculture, where equipment is subjected to rigorous and often harsh working conditions, the need for reliable and durable components is paramount. One such critical component is the bearing unit, which plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of various agricultural machinery. To address the challenges posed by harsh working conditions in agriculture, the armor bearing unit has been developed, designed specifically to excel in these demanding environments. Advantages of premium class: the best solution for modern agricultural machinery, designed to operate in the most difficult working conditions. Unique sealing system: relubrication is not required in the first 2 years of armor unit exploitation. Stable high-quality level product made in Europe. Ductile cast iron housing has 2.5 times higher tensile strength than gray cast iron housing. Iron arc provides perfect protection of the grease nipple. Anti-corrosion coating of housing, inner ring and metal cover. Two opposite lubrication grooves, on the housing and on the bearing outer ring as well. The unique combination of 6-lip sealing by front side of the bearing and triple-lip sealing by base side presents one of the best sealing system for application on agricultural machinery. Additional 1 mm metal cover provides reliable mechanical protection. The bearing mounting groove is turned to the base side of the housing, which significantly decreases contact of the bearing with mud and other impurities from the front side. Locking pin on the outer ring prevents its rotating and ensures the proper way of installation of the bearing into the housing. In the challenging and unpredictable world of agriculture, having reliable and resilient components is crucial for maintaining productivity. The development of the armor bearing unit marks a significant stride in providing farmers with a dependable solution that excels in harsh working conditions. As the agricultural industry continues to evolve, embracing innovative technologies such as this bearing unit will undoubtedly contribute to increased efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, and enhanced overall performance in the field.